This video will guide you around the transaction timeline and communication part. So on TranZact, we do have a feature of communication. Whenever you create a new transaction, a particular transaction timeline gets created. How you can go ahead and make an internal and external communication on that. Let's go to our transaction module. In our transaction module, these are list of few transactions which have been created earlier. Same going, you will also find list of transaction in your transaction module. So let's click on this Valve purchase order. So once this purchase order was created, a particular transaction timeline was created. Have a look. It includes all the documents which have been created in this particular transaction timeline. Now, going here, how to use the communication feature. So on each and every document, you will get an option of post comment. Please have a look. Click on this post comment feature and you will get an option to type your comment here. Visibility, you can set according to your requirement, internal or external. So currently I'm going ahead and putting it in the internal. So to type any comment, you need to add any person. Suppose if you need to add any person, so what you will do, you will just put @, select the name, and you can type any comment. You can attach any file here as well. You can add multiple person in a comment. Click on submit. This comment is logged here and Mr. Rakesh Patel will get a notification of TranZact and as well as an email that you have added a comment on this PO mentioning him. Going below, same you can go ahead and attach on each and every document. So this is how you can go ahead and just maintain your communication part on TranZact, which will be very much helpful to you. You don't need to make an external mail or just send it to your team members or to any another department or to external people. You can easily go ahead and manage it through TranZact, and that will be helpful. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day ahead.